Something for your mind, mind, mind. Something for your mind.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal cannibal.
Can I ask you a question?
As long as it's not about my eye. Is it about my eye?
Sort of.
Just ask the question.
What's with the eye? To get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No, thank you. I don't want to die. Bonjour, sir was blinking at me. Is this because your date is a freak? No. Very good then. Bon appetit.
Tricky disco.
Oh, no. No. No, Charlie, no. That's, no.
Your copy. First of all, it's a matching. Second of all, if I would have copied that dragon, then I would have copied myself. I've made these matching designs for Scar of Love and me.
Till I make it home. Whoa.